Alright guys, so what we're going to be learning about in this video is just how to put images into a web page, and it's important to note that images or image tags are block level, which means they're going to appear full width of the page. So for our news article here, I've downloaded some images. I've downloaded a dog, chocolate, and HTML5 from Google, and these are going to be corresponding to each article, as you can see here. So each article is going to have its own image. So what we're going to do is jump up to the top one here, and the image should be above the title. So within the article, we're going to go ahead and type IMG. Now, this is self-closing. That's all you need to do to create an image element, but as you'll see, there's no image inside of it, and that's because there's an essential property here, or attribute of the element, which is src. And this basically is an abbreviation for the word source. So we need the source of the image that we want to show here, and that is a file path. Now, if it's within the same directory, you don't have to worry about anything. Just type the name of the file. So in this case, it's dog.jpg. Save it, refresh, and there we go. There's the picture of our dog. Let's go ahead and create one for the second article, which is about chocolate in outer space. So the source for this one is going to be chocolate.jpg. But what you can do is, if you want, if it's in the same directory, and this is going to be relevant sometimes, if it's in the same directory at the same path, you can use just the title, and once we get into rewriting and stuff for URLs, which might not even be in this course, you're going to have to reference the current directory that this page is in. So that's dot and /. So that's chocolate.jpg. And then we close it. And as you can see, new study confirms chocolate is in space. And there's a Mars bar, which is fitting. And then finally, we have the HTML5 article. And so the source in this one, well, we can see the source to our project, so we're going to put an absolute source here. So C, users, Nick G, projects, web dash course, and then the file name, which is html5.png, and then self-close that. And we see here, this is actually pretty big, so what I need to do is I need to set the width of this to 100%, or any pixel size we could also do. But by setting it to 100%, it's just going to make it only be as wide as the page, but then it's also going to scale it proportionally so that it won't be stretched or anything. It will then become as tall as it needs to be to fit the width that we've specified. And so that is the image tag and how to add it to your web page. These are block elements, but you can do crafty things like making them appear inline, and we're going to be getting into that with CSS.